my favorite meals as a child was the Impossibly Easy Cheeseburger Pie that's on the back of the Bisquick box. So easy, minimal ingredients. It takes like 40 minutes. It's about 10 minutes of prep and 30 minutes in the oven. It's a perfect meal that you and your toddler can make together. I have my mini chef with me tonight, so we're gonna see if we can get this done before my husband gets home. Spoiler alert, didn't beat the clock. Oh, did you potty? We're back. Completely cleaned up and not a problem. Accidents happen. It doesn't matter. We're still making dinner together. I have 1 pound of ground beef and 1 whole onion that I browned up on the stove. We're gonna bring that over in a second. Do my best. 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs. This is not an ingredient that this calls for, but I think you need it. A little bit of Worcestershire sauce, somewhere between a teaspoon and a tablespoon. Flavor, lots of flavor. Then a little bit of garlic, and I'm just gonna use the jarred garlic. 1 to 2 cloves of garlic if you're chopping it up fresh. Stir this together. The instructions say to cook this in a 9-inch pie plate. I don't have a pie plate. I left it at my aunt's house after Thanksgiving like 5 years ago. Every time I show up, there's like a pecan pie or an apple pie in it. I'm not gonna ask for that back because they keep using it and they keep baking in it, so they can have it. I don't have a pie plate. I'm using my cast iron. This is a big cast iron. It'll be okay. 1-ish cup of shredded cheese. We're using Colby Jack. The instructions call for cheddar, I think. I like it cheesy, so probably doing a little bit more than a cup. To our egg and milk mixture, I'm adding in 1/2 cup of Bisquick mix, stirring that in until there aren't any lumps. This calls for a tablespoon of vegetable oil, but I left my beef fat in here, so we're just gonna use that as our oil component. Then over the top of our meat and cheese mixture, just add your Bisquick. Just like that. No stirring. This just goes into a 400-degree oven for somewhere between 29 and 33 minutes. And I can't make this up, but that took me a half an hour. So dinner is definitely taking us 60 minutes tonight. But moms, you understand, we had a few distractions. We're still getting dinner done. We're gonna eat as family at home. I'll come back and show you what it looks like at the end.
She left the room and me alone with her phone. Deuces.
It's not gonna look pretty. Since it's cheeseburger pie, I feel like it needs some ketchup and mustard. Going in with my favorite stone ground mustard from Bochi's in Rock Island. A little bit of ketchup. I have a few tomatoes that I'm just gonna eat with it. We'll make it look pretty for fun. And pickles. I feel like the only thing we're missing are some tater tots. Tastes just like your mom and dad's. Don't skip the Worcestershire. Do not skip it. Thanks for sticking around.